recently unveiled its 2025 4Runner, the newest reimagining of its classic SUV design. And for the first time, there's a hybrid option included. The newest models have powertrains of up to 326 horsepower, as well as new safety features like off-road cruise control and articulation settings. The next generation model offers a cool new look and incredible features, yet retains the rugged style and capability our customers love about this icon of adventure. The 2025 4Runner offers 9 different variants, including 2 all-new grades: the 4Runner Trail Hunter, a rugged overland rig, and the more luxury-oriented 4Runner Platinum. Several variants of the 4Runner come equipped with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, pairing a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with a 48 horsepower electric motor. The 326 horsepower hybrid option is available on 5 of the 9 new 4Runner variants.